Hi guys, Joe here. I have these tins. I want to show you how to make a alcohol stove in a couple of easy steps, right? So these, I think they're 2-ounce tins. Ignore the label. I bought about 24 of these, and it says they're 2-ounce tins, but just get whatever you can. Some people use Vaseline tins or whatever. I was just using these to sell my tinder in. So the next thing you're going to need is a tea strainer. Now, this one, you're going to need something not Poundland, but maybe like Home Bargains, The Range, or, those are UK shops. But back in the States, I'm not sure. I can't remember. Maybe a Walmart or something like that. But it's just a tea strainer. And on here, it's basically this lip here is just pinching the mesh around it. So all I did was just push down enough and the mesh will come free. So then you already have a rounded mesh, which is, a good amount of the work already done for us. I did buy sheets of this type of mesh. I can't find them, and I packed them away somewhere. The next thing you're going to need is some loft insulation. Now, just take a bunch. You usually have some in your loft that, is not being put to good use. So just stuff it in there like that. Take your mesh that's already rounded and just squeeze it in between the insulation and the side of the tin. Right, and now you have enough mesh to make alcohol stove. So what we're going to do is let's see if we can use this to good use. I'm going to use my stove from Rough Timber, and we're going to go outside and test this now. Right, so we have the stove here. Just going to put some stuff and spirit in. I'm going to put that on that. So, and then there's the water. That's on. Just want to get it so I don't knock it down. And then I'll put the water on that, and then let's see what happens. For something like this, you could use a windshield, but if I would have done it like this, then you wouldn't have really seen it. So we'll do this option here. Okay, it's not overly windy, but it will help. Heat wise, it's doing really well. I can feel it from here. I can almost see the flame there. I'm not sure, can you see it? So I think we're at like a 5-minute mark now. Starting to see smoke from the top there. Still getting some good flames off the bottom, reaching to this pot handle a bit. Yep. Happy with that. Let me just show you. Okay. So, for next to nothing, you can make yourself an easy little meth stove and enjoy some food. So again, the stove is from Rough Timber. I think it's the Cardinal, I believe. Let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. Thanks.